Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Arshi Ansari. चैप्टर 7 स्ट्रक्चरल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन इन एनिमल्स पढ़ेंगे। तो आज हम ये पढ़ेंगे पुरानी एनसीईआरटी से, क्योंकि न्यू एनसीईआरटी में कॉकरोच नहीं दे रखा और जो सिलेबस अपडेटेड है उसमें कॉकरोच है। तो देख भी सकते हैं आप पुरानी एनसीईआरटी ये तो न्यू वाली है, ठीक है। न्यू वाली में बिल्कुल ही चीज़ें गायब कर दी है, कॉकरोच तो क्या वो भी नहीं दे रखा। टिश्यू वगैरह के बारे में सीधा फ्रॉग आ गया, ऑर्गन सिस्टम के बारे में एलैबोरेट करके हमारा कुछ फ़ायदा नहीं है इससे, तो हम इसमें नहीं पढ़ेंगे। हम पढ़ेंगे पुरानी एनसीईआरटी में ये चैप्टर जिसमें टिश्यू अर्थ वो हम छोड़ देंगे, ऑब्वियसली बात है सिलेबस में नहीं है, बाकी सब पढ़ लेंगे। तो एनिमल टिश्यू, ऑर्गन एंड ऑर्गन सिस्टम, अर्थ वॉर्म, कॉकरोच एंड फ्रॉग। अर्थवॉर्म, नो अर्थवॉर्म, नो अर्थवॉर्म, नो 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 नो, ठीक है। आगे बढ़ते हैं, चैप्टर पढ़ते हैं। इन द प्रीसीडिंग चैप्टर यू केम across a large variety of organisms, both unicellular and multicellular of the animal kingdom. In unicellular organism, all function like digestion, respiration and reproduction are formed by a single cell. कितना बड़ी बात है भाई, पूरा एक सेल से कर लेता है सब कुछ यूनिसेलुलर ऑर्गेनिज्म, और तुम्हें दुनिया भर के सेल्स चाहिए सब कुछ करने के लिए। इन द कॉम्प्लेक्स बॉडी ऑफ मल्टीसेलुलर एनिमल्स the same basic function are carried out by different group of cell in well organized manner. The body of a simple organism like Hydra is made of different type of cell, and the number of cell in each type can be in thousands. The human body is composed of billions of cells to perform various function. How do these cells in the body work together? In multicellular animals, a group of similar cells along with intracellular space perform a specific function such as organization is called tissue. पीडब्ल्यू की कोई भी डीपीपी करोगे पहला क्वेश्चन यही मिलेगा फॉर श्योर, ये डेफिनेशन पे पहला क्वेश्चन होता है। यू मे बी सरप्राइज टू नो दैट ऑल कॉम्प्लेक्स एनिमल कंसिस्ट ऑफ ओनली four basic type of tissue. These tissue are organized in specific proportion and pattern to form an organ like stomach, heart, lung and kidney. When two or more organ perform a common function by their physical or chemical interaction, they together form organ system. Example: digestive system, respiratory system, etc. Cells, tissue, organ and organ system split up the work in a way that exhibit division of labor and contribute to the survival of the body as a whole. Animal tissue. The structure of cell vary according to their function, therefore the type tissue are different and are broadly classified into four types: epithelial, connective, muscular, neural. Epithelial tissue, we commonly refer to an epithelial tissue as epithelium, plural epithelia. This tissue has a free surface which faces either a body fluid or the outside environment, and thus provide a covering or lining of some part of the body. The cells are compactly packed with little intercellular matrix. There are two types of epithelial tissue, namely simple epithelium and compound epithelium. Simple epithelium is composed of a single layer of cell and function as a lining for body cavity, ducts and tube. The compound epithelium consists of two or more cell layer and has protective function as it does in our skin. इस पे से भी क्वेश्चन आ जाता है इन लाइंस से, ठीक है। ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ स्ट्रक्चर मॉडिफिकेशन ऑफ सेल, सिंपल एपिथेलियम इज फर्दर डिवाइडेड इनटू थ्री टाइप्स: स्क्वैमस, क्यूबॉइडल, कॉलमनार। डायग्राम देख लीजिए, स्क्वैमस, क्यूबॉइडल, कॉलमनार, कॉलमनार विद सीलिया, सीलिया सीलिया, दिस इज सीलिया ऊपर वाला पोर्शन, ठीक है। The squamous epithelium is made of a single thin layer of flattened cell with irregular boundaries. They are found in the walls of blood vessel and air sacs of lungs and are involved in function like forming a diffusion boundary. The cuboidal epithelium is composed of a single layer of tube-like cell. This is commonly found in duct of gland and tubular part of nephron and kidney, and its main फंक्शन आर सिक्रीशन एंड एब्जॉर्प्शन। क्यूबॉइडल का मेन फंक्शन है सिक्रीशन एंड एब्जॉर्प्शन, ठीक है। द epithelium of PCT of nephron of the kidney has microvilli. The columnar epithelium is composed of a single layer of tall and slender cell. Their nuclei are located at the base. Free surface may have microvilli. They are found in the lining of stomach and intestine and help in secretion and absorption. If the columnar or cuboidal cell bears cilia on their free surface, they are called ciliated epithelium. 7.1d अभी हमने ऊपर देखा. Their function is to move particle or mucus in a specific direction over the epithelium. They are mainly present in the inner surface of hollow organ like bronchi and fallopian tubes. Entire paragraph contains a number of PYQs, so it is important. Some of the columnar cuboidal cell get specialized for secretion and are called glandular epithelium. Important diagram. They are mainly of two types: unicellular, consisting of isolated glandular cell, goblet cell. Unicellular goblet cell, and multicellular, consisting of cluster of salivary gland, multicellular salivary gland. On the basis of the mode of pouring of their secretion, gland are divided into two categories, namely exocrine and endocrine gland. Exocrine gland secrete mucus, saliva, earwax, oil, milk, digestive enzyme and other cell products. These products are released through duct or tube. In contrast, endocrine gland do not have duct. Their products called hormones are secreted directly into the fluid bathing the gland. Compound epithelium is made of more than one layer, multi-layered of cell, and thus has a limited role in secretion and absorption. 7.3. This is compound. Their main function is to provide protection against chemical and mechanical stresses. They cover the dry surface of the skin, the moist surface of buccal cavity, pharynx, inner lining of duct of salivary gland, and of pancreatic ducts. All cell in epithelium are held together with little intercellular material. In nearly all animal tissue, specialized junction provide both structural and functional link between its individual cell. Three types of cell junction are found in the epithelium and other tissue. These are called as tight, adhering, and gap junctions. Tight junction help us to stop substances from leaking across a tissue. Adhering junction perform cementing to keep neighboring cells together. Gap function facilitates the cell to communicate with each other by connecting the cytoplasm of adjoining cells for rapid transfer of ions, small molecules, and sometimes big molecules. Everything is important. Match the following. Sometime single भी क्वेश्चन आता है. Connective tissue. Connective tissue are the most abundant and widely distributed in the body of complex animals. They are named connective tissue because of their special function of linking and supporting other tissue organ of the body. They range from soft connective tissue to specialized type, which include cartilage, bone, adipose, and blood. In all connective tissue except blood, the cells secrete fiber of structural protein or collagen or elastin. The fiber provides strength, elasticity, flexibility to the tissue. These cells also secrete modified polysaccharide which accumulate between cell and fiber and act as matrix ground substance. This is ground substance. Connective tissue are classified into three types: loose connective tissue, dense connective tissue, and specialized connective tissue. This diagram is important. अभी आगे इनका रोल डिस्क्रिप्शन होगा पूरा. Loose connective tissue has cell and fiber loosely arranged in a semi-fluid ground substance. For example, areolar tissue present beneath the skin, figure 7.4. Often it serves as a support framework for epithelium. It contains fibroblast cells that produce and secrete fiber, macrophages and mast cell. ये देखिए macrophages. This is macrophage. कोलेजन फाइबर, मास्ट सेल्स, सब कुछ दिखाया है. Adipose tissue is another type of loose connective tissue are specialized to store fat. The excess of nutrients which are not used immediately are converted into fat and are stored in this tissue. फैट स्टोरेज के लिए इतनी बड़ी जगह है. न्यूक्लियस एक कोने में डिपॉजिट कर दिया गया है. ये है प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन. Fibers in fibroblasts are compactly packed in the dense connective tissue. Orientation of fibers show a regular or irregular pattern and are called dense regular and dense irregular tissue. In the dense regular connective tissue, the collagen fiber are present in rows between many parallel bundle of fibers. Tendon which attach skeleton muscle to bone. This is important. Ligament which attach one bone to another. This is important. Dense regular connective tissue has fibroblast and many fiber, mostly collagen, that are oriented differently. Dense regular, dense irregular. Cartilage, bone and blood are various types of specialized connective tissue. The intercellular material of cartilage is solid and pliable and resists compression. Cells of the tissue chondrocyte are enclosed in small cavities within the matrix is secreted by them. 7.6a. Collagen fibers, cartilage, chondrocyte. Most of the cartilage in vertebrate embryo are replaced by bone in adult. Cartilage is present in the tip of nose, outer ear, joint between adjacent bones of the vertebral column, limbs, hands in adults. Bones have a hard and non-pliable round substance rich in calcium, salt, and collagen fiber, which give bone its strength. Bone. It is the main tissue that provides structural frame to the body. Bone support and protect softer tissue and organs. The bone cells osteocytes are present in the space called lacunae. Limb bones such as the long bones of the legs serve weight-bearing function. They also interact with skeletal muscle attached to them to bring out movement. The bone marrow in some bones is the site of production of blood cells. Blood is a fluid connective tissue containing plasma, red blood cell RBC, white blood cell WBC and platelets. Figure 6.3c RBC, platelet, WBC. It is a main circulating fluid that help in the transport of various substances. You will learn more about blood in chapter 17 and 18. Muscular tissue. Each muscle is made up of many long cylindrical fibers arranged in parallel arrays. These fibers are composed of numerous fine fibers called myofibers. Muscle fiber contract, shorten in response to stimulation, then relax, lengthen, and return to their uncontracted state in a coordinated fashion. The action moves the body to adjust to the changes in the environment and to maintain the proportion of various parts of the body. In general, muscle play an active role in all the movement of the body. Muscle are of three types: skeletal, smooth, and cardiac. Skeletal tissue is closely attached to skeletal bones in a typical muscle such as the biceps, striated striped skeletal muscle. Fibers are bundled together in a parallel fashion. A sheath of tough connective tissue encloses several bundles of muscle fiber. You will learn more about in chapter locomotion and movement. Muscular tissue, skeleton, striated muscle tissue, smooth muscle tissue, cardiac muscle tissue. Diagram are important. The smooth muscle fiber taper at both ends, fusiform and do not show striations. Cell junction hold them together and they are bundled together in a connective tissue sheath. The wall of internal organs such as the blood vessels, stomach and intestine contain this type of muscle tissue. Smooth muscles are involuntary as their functioning cannot be directly controlled. We usually are not able to make it contract merely by thinking about it. We can do it with skeletal muscle. Cardiac muscle is a contractile tissue present only in the heart. Cell junction fuse the plasma membrane of cardiac muscle cell and make them stick together. 7.73 communication junction intergalactic disc at some fusion point allow the cells to contract as a unit. That is, when one cell receives a signal to contract, its neighbor are also stimulated to contract. Interconnected discs, fusiform, ये जो चीज़ें हैं ये फीचर्स हैं बेसिकली इन मसल्स के. Next is neural tissue. Neural tissue exerts the greatest control over the body, responsiveness to changing condition. Neuron, the unit of neural system, are excitable cell. Figure 7.8. The neuroglial cell, which constitute the rest of the neural system, protect and support neurons. Neuroglia make up more than one half of the volume of neural tissue in our body. PYQ based on this. When a neuron is suitably stimulated, an electrical disturbance is generated which swiftly travels along its plasma membrane. Arrival of the disturbance at the neuron's ending or output zone triggers event that may cause stimulation or inhibition of adjacent neuron and other cell. Organ and organ system. The basic tissue mentioned above organize to form organs, which in turn associate to form organ system in the multicellular organism. Such an organization is essential for more efficient and better coordinated activities of millions of cells constituting an organism. For each organ in our body is made of one and more type of tissue. For example, our heart consists of all the 4 type of tissue, that is epithelial, connective, muscular and neural. We also know after some careful study that the complexity in organ and organ system displays certain discernible trend. This discernible trend is called evolutionary trend. You will study in detail in class 12. You are being introduced to morphology and anatomy of 3 organisms at different evolutionary levels to show their organization and functioning. Morphology refer to study to form or externally visible features. In the case of plant or microbes, the term morphology precisely means only this. In case of animals, this refer to the external appearance of the organs or part of the body. The word anatomy conventionally is used for the study of morphology of internal organs in the animal. You will learn the morphology and anatomy of earthworm, cockroach and frog, representing invertebrate and vertebrate. Summary of this is cell, tissue, organ and organ system split up the work in a way that ensure the survival of the body as a whole and exhibit division of labor or tissue is defined as a group of cells along with intercellular substances performing one or more function in the body. Epithelial are sheet-like tissue lining the body surface and its cavity duct. The tube epithelia have one free surface facing a body fluid or the outside environment. Their cells are structurally and functionally connected at junction. Diverse type of connection tissue bind together, support, strengthen, protect and insulate other tissue in the body. Soft connective tissue consists of protein, fiber as well as a variety of cell arranged in a ground substance. Cartilage, bone and blood and adipose tissue are specialized connective tissue. Cartilage and bone are both structural material. Blood is the fluid tissue with transport function. Adipose tissue is a reservoir of store energy. Muscle tissue, which can contract, shorten in response to stimulation, help in movement of the body in specific body parts. Skeletal muscle is the muscle tissue attached to bone. Smooth muscle is a component of internal organs. Cardiac muscle make up the contractile wall of the heart. Connective tissue covers all 3 type of tissue. Nerve tissue exert greatest control over the response of body. न्यूरॉन आर द बेसिक यूनिट ऑफ नर्व टिश्यू. चैप्टर होता है खत्म और अच्छा चैप्टर है, अच्छे क्वेश्चंस हैं, इजी हैं, इतना कंफ्यूजिंग नहीं है. अच्छे से पढ़ोगे तो अच्छे से सब कुछ कवर अप कर पाओगे. लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल एंड कमेंट इन द कमेंट बॉक्स. मुझे टेलीग्राम पे आके पर्सनली मैसेज करो. आई डोंट हैव एनी प्रॉब्लम विद दैट, बट कमेंट सेक्शन में भी वो कमेंट डालो जो आप मेरे को टेलीग्राम पर भेज रहे हो. ठीक है, तो बाय बाय एंड स्टडी हार्ड.